This is Redmi A1 Plus, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can add an event to calendar on this device. So to begin with, you will need to launch the Google Calendar app. Here it is. Then choose the date that you would like to set an event for, or set an event on. I'll go with 27th of March, let's say. Then once the date is selected, tap at this plus button to your bottom right, choose the event option from the list, then set your event title. You can also change the time frames for this event to occur, make adjustments to the time zone, set your repetitiveness preferences, or to put it in other, more simpler terms, make your device reoccurring or not, invite some other event participants or other people that will attend this event with you, add the link to the video call if you will be holding a video call regarding this event, add the location that this event will take place at, as well as change the color for this event to be, for you to recognize it easier. Then add the description if you need to, and attach some files if you have something to attach. After that, you can save this event, and here it is. By tapping on it, you will be able to check its details. By tapping at this pencil icon, you will be able to edit those details. And in order to remove it, simply tap at the 3 vertical dots to your top right, choose the delete option, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.